people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get the new Goldman Sachs credit card without an actual hard inquiry. Now, I made a video about this credit card already, and I told you guys how you can get you can get approved for up to $10,000. And you can actually see if you can get approved without a credit check. So it's going to be a soft inquiry for them to pre-approve you. But when you actually go through with the credit card, they're going to give you a hard inquiry. But I want to show you guys how you can actually get that credit card without the hard inquiry. So let's go ahead and hover over credit cards. Go to the MyGM Rewards card. And this is the credit card I was talking to you guys about. So you can pick which one you want to actually get. You can pick which card you want. Now, when you go ahead and apply for this credit card, they're going to give you a pre-approval saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for this amount. They'll let you know how much you're pre-approved for. And if you accept it, they're going to give you a hard inquiry. But what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to have an account with TransUnion. Because if you guys have an account with TransUnion, you guys can put a credit freeze on your credit, because you can add or unfreeze your credit reports right here. But you guys can put a freeze on your credit after they give you your pre-approval, because they're going to pull a TransUnion. So if you guys already have the app, you can go ahead and unfreeze or add a freeze to your credit reports right through the app. But as soon as they say, hey, you're pre-approved for this amount, this is the interest rate, after they give you all of the details, go ahead and freeze your TransUnion credit reports. So go ahead and freeze your reports. And then I want you to go back after you freeze them, because you should have the app so you can do it instantly. You can go ahead and freeze your reports. After you freeze your reports, then I want you to go ahead and accept the offer. Because if you do it this way, that's how you're going to get approved for the credit cards. And I'm going to make sure I pop up a few other people that said that they did this with this credit card, so you guys can do it. Don't forget, they have this same thing with the Apple credit card. If you go ahead and apply for the Apple credit card, have them get you pre-approved for it, and then you freeze your TransUnion credit reports, which is this here. If you was to freeze this, after they give you after they tell you how much you're approved for and what interest rate, go ahead and freeze your credit reports. And then after your credit reports with TransUnion, don't forget, it's only TransUnion. We don't care about Equifax or Experian. Once you freeze them with TransUnion, you can go back and accept it. And then they're not going to give you that hard inquiry, because your credit reports are now actually frozen. So when they actually give you that pre-approval, it's actually probably just a soft pull to your credit reports. But that hard pull is how you guys are going to get hard inquiries on your credit reports. And you don't want to have that. But I just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know about this. Don't forget, I'll be going live every Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop them in the comments. And also make sure you guys tune into my live videos. But I'll see you guys in the next video.